Now that you have learned to navigate the Sweetsite platform, you will learn how to start building a website. As mentioned in a previous video, a website can be compared to a book with its own pages. In this video, we will create a new page to add to your website. On the left navigation menu of your website builder, click on the three lines to access your website pages. In the Pages and Pop-ups window, click on the Add New button. In the Add New window, click on Page. A window of new website page templates will then be displayed. On the left of the window, you will find different page categories. Select the correct category for the new page you wish to create. Some of the page template options are Webinar pages, Thank you pages, Contact pages, and Events pages. Each category will display new page templates to choose from. To preview a page before selecting it, click on Preview on the selected template and scroll down to view the entire page. Everything on the selected page can be edited and changed. A pre-designed template can be used as a guide and a faster method to create a new web page. If you would like to create a new blank website page, scroll to the bottom of the category list and click on Empty Page. Once you have decided on the best option for your new page, click on Select. Inside of the Add New Page window, under Page Name, add a name for your new page. Under Page URL, the new page name will appear as you've typed it. The URL page name can also be changed so that it is different to the page name on your website builder. Your website visitors will be able to access the new page with the URL once your website is live. Click on Add to add the new web page to your website. The new web page will then be displayed for editing on your website builder. Once you have created your new web page, click on the three lines at the top of the navigation menu. Under Pages, your new web page will now be displayed.